All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at Elon. So, Elon, we looked at this a couple of times now. That the last time you had this strong move up, the spike in volume, not so much pronounced as it is in the one I'm going to show you here in a minute, but you can see the volume is declining into this bear flag, and then this thing broke down and came all the way down here to a new low off of that volume and that bear flag here. So, if we go here to present day, you can see we have the same thing here with this spike up, huge spike in the volume, and then a huge decline here in the volume to the end of this bear flag where we are right now. So it remains to be seen. The price right now, you can see, is at 11.36. We have the 21 at 11.48 and the 200 at 11.50. So if we're going to start breaking down here and this thing's going to stay below the 21 and the 200, and it looks like it's gunning for that 50-day here in yellow EMA, at 10.4, and the price comes down here and breaks below the bottom of this flag, that could be the indication that we're about to do something like this, retest that 21 for resistance, and then this flag is going to play out, and Pepe is about to fall off the table here. So that is potentially what is in play here, in my opinion, off of this almost textbook bear flag pattern here. So it remains to be seen. Like I said, we'll see what happens. But I would be very cautious on Pepe right now if this is going to play out here. You are looking at Pepe to fall from where you are right now down to that 50 and that 100 here for about a 10-11% drop. You may get a bounce, you may not. You may get a bounce down here and come back and retest, like I said, as confirmation for a rejection and a move down. But ultimately about a 10 or 11% drop down to that price. But if you just go right through that and come all the way back down here to the bottom for your little measured move, you could see Pepe's potentially from where you are right now is about to drop 47-48% back down here to the low at 589. That is a huge possibility in my opinion here. So just keep an eye on that. Just wanted to make a quick Pepe update so you guys are aware that this thing is potentially in this bear flag pattern, which it has done in the past, and it came to a new low. So we'll see. We'll leave it at that rather. On Pepe for now, we'll see what happens, and we're not really going to cover any Fibonacci's on this one. Just wanted to make a quick bear flag Pepe update here on the daily chart. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Hell with it. We're going to go from the low here to the high, and you can see that Pepe from the low to the high here, we're sitting right on that 382 support. So it looks like once you take out this support level here, you're heading down to that 0.5 and that 100 and that 50 down here at this 10.2 level. So yeah, I mean, I'm glad I drew that on the chart because now it gives you a little bit more sense, if you will, and prices to watch. So if Pepe from the low to the high takes out your 382 here, there's a good chance you're going to hit that 0.5, bounce back up for a rejection at that 113, and then she's about to fall off the table here back to the low. And if it's going to play out like last time, you may do something like this, or where you make a new low and come down here and go sideways for a while. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on Pepe. Just watch out for this bear flag pattern here. If for some reason we hold on to the 382 at 113, you can clearly see here that we need to move up, get back over the 236 at 125, and then ultimately if we break the high here at 14.6, then there is a possible chance that you break this to the upside and this pattern is not going to play out. So if you get over 14.6 here, then there's a potential for some higher prices on Pepe, and then you could just disregard this bear flag pattern here, which, you know, I've said in the past is almost textbook with the spike in volume, the decline in volume, and almost a perfect little bear flag here. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.